The Larson Electronics Industrial Automatic Voltage Stabilizer is designed for industrial and commercial locations. This 120 KVA power device operates on 3-phase 208 volt, 480 volt, or 600 volt AC input at 50 to 60 Hz and provides a matching 3-phase regulated output at the same selected voltage with plus or minus 1% maximum variance. This 128 KVA unit accepts 3-phase 208, 480, or 600 volt AC at 50 to 60 Hz on the input side and delivers 3-phase stabilized AC power at the same voltage and frequency on the output side. The unit is equipped with multiple protective features including overload, short circuit, phase loss, phase sequence, over and under voltage, and over temperature protection. An LCD display mounted on the front panel provides real-time system status and monitoring, including input and output voltage, operating current, fault indications, delay time, and other operational parameters. The enclosure is vented to promote active air cooling during continuous operation. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.